Important financial fact in India. Writing on currency note is illegal under RBI's clean note policy. The advance value of an LIC policy is linked to its surrender value. SBI's strategic training unit is located in Hyderabad. The portion of total deposit a commercial bank keeps with RBI in cash reserve is known as CRR. August 1st is observed as KYC Compliance and Fraud Prevention Day. RTGS is managed by the Reserve Bank of India. India's cess policy is inspired by China's experience. Increasing CRR and bank rate helps to control credit. The Asian Development Bank provides financial aid to developing countries in Asia. The rate at which RBI lent to bank under liquidity adjustment facility is called repo rate.